Okay, welcome back. Welcome to some math. I know last time we were doing it from paper, it didn't look too hot. Back in action, making sure we're all satisfied. To start off, just want to say thank you to all the people that stayed for tutorials yesterday or the day before, whenever it was. Please make sure if you need the help, definitely come ask. There are a bunch of concerns. All I got to tell you is, hey, keep trying your best. If you do what you're supposed to, you should be okay. Let's get started. This lesson is extremely complicated. Don't want to start it off by saying that, right? But we're going to make it as less complicated as we can. Page 255. Also, remember the mini quizzes are mandatory. There are a couple things out there saying, oh, we don't have to do it unless we're absent. No, you have to do it every single time. Make sure you take care of business with that. Starting off with the warm-up, you could do one of two things. You could do stat edit, stat calc 4, or the slope formula. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We definitely want you to be able to do it like this, but of course, if you can't, we understand 100%. Gonna use stat calc 4 just because I know this is the easiest way to be able to get out our slope. That's what the question is asking, just in case you haven't read it. Question is asking about slope. Bringing out the calculator. Make sure you have a calculator in your hand. Following the steps, very nice and easy. First button that I press is stat right here next to the little cursor, stat. Make sure it says edit. I do click enter. Make sure you see the table. Don't forget, if it's going too fast, please press pause. Fill in the table accordingly. We got 0, 10, 0, enter, 10, XY of course. Coming over here, 3, 12, 3, 12, enter. Now that I got my 2 points in there, I finish it off. Stat edit, stat. Gotta go to calc, I must press the side button. And coming down to number 4. I press enter, I go to calculate, and I get this ugly number 0.666666667. Of course, we can round this. 7 comes all the way over here. And I'll say my slope is m equals 0.667. Looks good to me. Not going to talk about the fractions just yet. There will be an extra activity, so if you need help with fractions, please do the activity. I know Mr. Ballman, Mr. Bolden, all our kiddos in the vacancy class, make sure if you need help with fractions, you look at the folder that says fractions. Same thing for the other ones. I'll do one more, then you can do the last one, making sure you get the correct answer. Going back to stat. Edit, be careful, you delete the numbers, not the columns. Delete, 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 delete. Replacing the points one more time. -1, 4.5. Negative is down here. -1, enter. 4.5, enter. 1, -4.5, 1, enter, -4.5, enter. Next, of course, we do stat calc 4. Come into the stat button one more time. Remember, press pause if you need to. This is a video, you can pause and play it as much as you want. Coming to calc, I need to press the side button and go into number 4. Slope is -4.5. Coming back over here, we can definitely write that My slope is negative 4.5. Terrific. Do this one by yourself. Mr. Bowman, Mr. Bolden will walk around to make sure you all can do it on your own. Out of these vocabulary words, I want to make sure we understand what the zero function is. This is called our x-intercept. Zero specifically. The zero is our x-intercept. Next page. Not gonna go by and talk about every single thing, but we want to make sure we understand what is a linear function. That means a line. I'm only gonna circle these. Each is the key word here. 50% is not linear, so I will cross that out. Same thing, the area is not linear. Cross that out. Sorry. We should know what the equation of slope-intercept form is. Y equals mx plus b. This equation does look similar to that one. Equation B, the x is up top. That doesn't look good. And this, if you take care of business, you show multiplication, you fix it. This also is a good check mark. Tables are super complicated, but you should know repeating x's is not a function, not good. This one is good to go, and this one also is good to go. If I did stat calc 4, I should be able to write those equations. And the last one, which ones look like lines? B looks like a line. C also looks like a line. Just make sure you know that this is not a function. Great. Stopping the video right here. Please play, replay, do what you gotta do. Next video coming up.